Molecular orbital diagram of hydrogen, helium, lithium and beryllium molecule. As we have discussed in our previous video, how formation of molecular orbital takes place in diatomic molecules. Let's take first example of hydrogen molecule and create its molecular orbital diagram. So generally we can write simple reaction as two hydrogen atoms combine to make one hydrogen molecule. As we know, the number of electrons in hydrogen atom is 1. Its electronic configuration will be 1s1. When two hydrogen atoms contribute 1 electron each, hydrogen molecule will have 2 electrons and its electronic configuration will be sigma 1s2. Filling of these 2 electrons takes place from the bonding molecular orbit and then pairing takes place. So both the electrons are in sigma 1s orbital and antibonding molecular orbitals are empty. So as all the electrons in hydrogen molecule are paired up, it is diamagnetic. And bond order can be calculated from the formula bond order is equals to number of electrons in bonding minus number of electrons in antibonding divided by 2, which is 2 minus 0 divided by 2, it comes 1. Therefore, single covalent bond is formed. Similarly, we can draw the molecular orbital diagram of helium and find the number of covalent bonds formed between them. As helium has 2 electrons with electronic configuration 1s2, thus helium molecule will have total 4 electrons and its electronic configuration will be sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2. So 4 electrons can be filled as per the above principle. First, electrons will be filled in bonding molecular orbital and later in antibonding molecular orbital. In this case also all electrons are paired up, so molecule should be diamagnetic and bond order can be calculated from the same formula where number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital is 2 and number of electrons in antibonding molecular orbital is 2 is also 2. So 2 minus 2 divided by 2, which comes 0. This means there is no bond formation between two helium atoms and thus helium molecule does not exist. Now let's discuss formation of lithium molecule. As lithium atom contains 3 electrons, its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s1. So 2 lithium atoms will combine to form a molecule of lithium and now lithium molecule will have total 6 electrons. So its electronic configuration will be sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2 and sigma 2s2, which can also be written as kk sigma 1s2. Here, as the 1s orbitals of the lithium atom, they are inner shells. It is not necessary they will overlap. So they can give a situation of non-bonding, which is represented as kk or non-bonding. Now in this case, as you can see, all the electrons are paired, so it should be diamagnetic and bond order calculated from the same formula is again 1. So single bond between 2 lithium atoms are formed. Similarly, we can draw the molecular orbital diagram of beryllium molecule. Here beryllium atom is having 4 electron with electronic configuration of beryllium as 1s2, 2s2. Now in beryllium molecule there will be total 8 electrons and the electronic configuration becomes sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, or this can also be written as kk sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, as the internal orbitals or 1s orbitals, they don't undergo overlap. Now again all the electrons are paired up, so the molecule should be diamagnetic and bond order should be calculated as per the formula, which will give 2 minus 2 divided by 2 and again 0. So as the bond order is 0, there is no bond formation between two beryllium atoms, and thus beryllium molecule should not exist. In next lecture, we will learn to make molecular orbital diagrams of more complex molecules which are having p orbitals. If you like this video, please click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel.